Welcome to my channel. This is Marina at Mimi Puffles, if you're wondering. So today I'm going to be doing a what I bring to Paris for my suitcase. And so I'm going to Paris for about 10 days, so a little bit over a week. Tonight I'm going to stay with my sister, so I'm going to stay up there for a day. We're living at San Francisco and she lives in Berkeley. So I'm going to stay up there in Berkeley for the night, and then we leave out of SFO tomorrow. So yeah, we're gonna be in Paris, France, and so this is everything I bring for my trip. Okay, so this side I'm gonna keep all my clothes on, and then this side is like my makeup and toiletries and like shoes, accessories, stuff like that. So first I have one skirt, and then I brought some pajama pants, and then these are all my tops I'm bringing. There's about 8, and I figured that some of the tops I could just wear with the pajama pants instead of bringing like a specific pajama top. Okay, so I got 3 lightweight like long sleeve cover-ups to go over. The weather's supposed to be in the 80s. It's gonna be pretty warm, but it's also gonna be rainy, so it's gonna be really humid. So I kind of have like a array of different layering pieces. I'm bringing my hairbrush, and then underneath I have a umbrella. And then on this side I have 4 dresses, because I really like wearing dresses. This little baggie is filled with my underwear. And then I have 2 jackets right here, and then black jeans, leggings, and some spandexy shorts just to go underneath some of the dresses. And on this side, I have this little clipboard, so I use this to like help me fold. It doesn't take up much space, and it helps me like save a lot of room in the clothing area. And then inside my hat, I have my bras, and then I have the sun hat. Since it might be raining, it might be coming useful. I have 1 pair of sneakers, and then inside I just filled it with all my socks. This is my toiletry bag. I'll go through that later. This is my makeup bag. And then I have sandals, a baseball cap, and some Sperry's. And then, yeah, so that's how I'm packing all this side. And then for my toiletries, I have exfoliating gloves for my fake tan. I have a little mini fake tan. I haven't tried this yet, but hopefully it's good, because I don't want to bring like a big bottle. I have Q-tips, cotton balls, and floss. Then I have 2 sunscreens. This I just squeezed out some face wash in, so then I don't have to bring the whole container. And then here's another little mini face wash. I have my allergy medicine. I have hair ties, a headband to keep my hair out when I do my makeup, and then a lotion, a little soap. I use like bar soap to clean my brushes, so this will come in handy when I'm there and I have to clean my brushes. I brought 2 because they're almost gone. Toothpastes. I still have to grab my toothbrush from the bathroom. I have 1 nail polish and 1 top coat. Just because this is what's on my toenails, so if it comes off, my nails are acrylic, so that'll be fine, but yeah, if my toenail polish comes off, I can retouch it. I'm bringing a mini Glam Glow face mask. This is the Super Mud, and then this is a little baby shampoo that I just emptied out, and I filled it with my eye makeup remover. Okay, so for my makeup bag, I'm just bringing an e.l.f. powder, a MAC bronzer, highlighter, blush, chapstick. I didn't bring a lot of makeup. Mirror. I'm bringing the Marc Jacobs. I believe this is the Remarkable, and then Revlon Color Stay. Just 2 foundations. Eyebrow gel, brow pomade, an eyelash curler. I got tweezers, a mini Professional. This is the pearl version. I got a mini They're Real mascara, a mini Benetint. I really like this for my lips. It's a really pretty color. I have a mini Gimme Brow, and then just some brushes. Got a little spoolie for my eyebrows. These are all my makeup brushes to use. I'm going to wash them when I get to my sister's house, so they're nice and clean. And then I believe this is a Stila. The packaging came off, but it's a Stila eyeliner. And just the last thing I forgot to mention I'm bringing is just my phone cord. I still have to get a international adapter, but we're staying in an Airbnb, so I think they're going to have one, as well as like shampoo. I'm pretty sure they're going to have some there for us. The other thing I have is my backup battery, so that for out when they go, my sister and I could just still charge our phones. So yeah, I'm just charging that right now, and then I was charging my phone, but I'm using it for this. So this is what I'm going to wear tomorrow. Like I said, I'm going to go stay at my sister's house tonight, and then tomorrow we're leaving for the airport, so I already have my outfit. These are my biggest boots, and since it might be raining, I wanted to make sure I bring boots. They're not waterproof, but at least I'll be a little bit out of the water. So I have these boots, and then I'm going to wear this jacket with this top, and then some Topshop Joni jeans. So these are like my more heavier items that I feel like I'll be a little bit warmer on the airplane with these. For accessories, I'm bringing my necklace that says my name on it, as well as just this little pearl bracelet, and then my bracelet that I never take off, and this opal ring, and that's it. I'm bringing my blanket because I always get really cold on planes, and then this is going to be my personal item for when I'm there. So inside, I have my purse that I'm going to have when I'm there. And then for the plane, it's going to be about a 14-hour flight, so I brought a coloring book and some gel pens, just if I get bored. This is a waterproof jacket inside here that just fits in this little pouch. My mom let me borrow it, and then also on the plane I could use this as a pillow because it's really squishy. And that's everything that's in here. So let me go through what's in my purse. So the first thing I have is a mini foldable hairbrush. I need to clean it. And I have this pouch, which has like gum, Advil, perfume, dopamine, I don't know how to pronounce it, little wisps, so if I'm on the flight and I can't brush my teeth, I can just use those, and some Tic Tacs, and that's it. I have some makeup remover wipes, just in case I'm on the plane and I want to take off my makeup, a little mini deodorant, a little mini sunscreen. Inside here, I have some headphones with this kind of plug. I have the iPhone 7, so I don't have this kind of plug, so I have to have a converter. But I figured I could have this one if I want to plug it in and watch like a movie on the airplane. I have a splitter for my sister and I. And then these are the headphones I'll probably be using most. These are just my wireless AirPods. So in this one, this is the wallet I'm not going to be using as often. I have all my cash that I'm bringing for the trip. I have my passport, fits a little tightly in there. And then I have just a backup credit card just in case I lose my other one or I need, a different credit card. And then I have my health insurance card. So this is my main wallet that I carry everywhere. I have my driver's license / ID in there. And then in here I have my credit card, debit card, and then I just have this card that my grandpa gave me that he carried it around with him all over Thailand and Africa and all different places. So I'm just going to carry it with me for good luck. And then in here I have just, I'm only bringing enough to where I spend $50 per day. So I only have $50 in there so I can spend that. And then in this little pocket I have a chapstick, a pen, a little pad of paper for notes, and then my birth control pills. And that's it. That's everything I'm bringing. Alright, so that is everything I'm going to be bringing to Paris with me. I'm so excited. It doesn't even feel real. Like, I can't even believe I'm going right now. But yeah, so make sure that if you like this video to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos, then to subscribe. Thank you.